Hello, welcome to the demo of digital mortgage selling journey. Today we're going to meet with Archie. He's an existing customer of Woodgrove Bank and he uses various channels in order to manage his financial needs. So in the demo we will see that Archie is willing to buy a new house and that's why he goes online and starts searching for mortgage rates. First he goes to his primary bank's website and starts playing with the mortgage finance calculator. Archie enters details about cost of property and tenor to check interest rate and monthly installments. He realizes that there's a new promotional campaign and he would like to take it forward and decides to chat with mortgage advisor. Martin, who is the mortgage advisor sitting at the back office, he's assigned to Archie's inquiry and he starts conversing with Archie to understand his expectations and support his inquiries. In the meantime, Customer 360 view automatically pops up in front of his screen, essentially unified front end, and he's presented with all customer information directly on Dynamics 365 platform. Archie, in order to have further discussions around mortgage rates and promotions, he is willing to initiate a video chat to have a face-to-face discussion with Martin. And Archie also starts asking certain questions regarding with new mortgage opportunity. When we switch over to the experience of Martin, we will see Martin creates a new loan application through the CRM system. And additionally, he will also be serving to Archie upon his request to restructure his personal finance to extend his installments by 8 months. So this is the journey we are going to be seeing as part of the demonstration. So let's switch over to the UI and UX. So Archie, he goes online to the bank's website, essentially internet banking. He puts in the credentials and he goes ahead to sign-in process. After sign-in, he lands on his main dashboard. And as part of his main dashboard, under Loans tab, there are finance calculators. So one of the finance calculator he's going to be stepping in is mortgage finance calculator. The cost of property he's looking for is $300,000 and loan tenor in years is 10 years. So based upon this entered details, he sees that he has to have 20% of down payment in order to initiate this particular application. The interest rate applied is going to be 5.1% and loan to value ratio is 80%. And also on the right hand side, he can see the monthly installments, principal amount, interest amount, and insurance that he has to take. And additionally, he can also view and print a provisional offer letter. Inside of this offer letter, he can see the similar information around mortgage, repayment amount, interest amount, and additionally, there is the repayment plan schedule for Archie. So Archie is interested in this mortgage opportunity, and there is apparently some promotions going around in the market, which is 0% processing fees on home loan, and that's something he wouldn't miss. So that's why he's going to be initiating this chat conversation. So clicking on this chat, I will have a window in front of me in order to start conversing with a live agent. First, I would like to initiate this chat. And on the other hand, the mortgage advisor sitting at the back office is going to be connected. And he is greeting me with this statement. Hello, this is Martin, your mortgage digital selling advisor. How can I help you with? So basically Archie types in, I'm interested in mortgage loans. So in this case, Martin advises him to initiate a video chat in order to have further discussions in more detail and have a face-to-face conversation. So Archie accepts it. For that, Archie goes video. And on the other hand, Martin will accept it and we'll be getting into the call right away. Hello, Martin. Hi. How are you?
Hello, I'm Martin, your digital selling advisor. I can see that you have an interest for mortgage loan. I need to get some information from you to have an eligibility check and process your application. What is your approximate cost of properties that you are willing to buy?
Hello, hi Martin. Yes, I'm interested in your mortgage rate, and the approximate cost of property I'm looking for is around 300,000.
According to bank policy, you need to have 20% of cost for your property as down payment. Are you okay with that?
Yeah, sure, that's okay. I'm ready for it.
And also, how many years are you willing to pay back?
10 years would be okay.
Okay, perfect. Let me initiate your request direct on my system.
Yeah, let's go ahead.
So let me change my persona. I'm Martin. And while I'm having a discussion with my customer, Archie, at the same time, system pops up a 360 view in front of me. So within this 360 view, I have ability to reach out all customer information within one single screen. I can see that which products that this customer has from our bank, which channels is utilizing by the customer, what is the next best action coming through the machine learning analysis. So it shows a mortgage loan offer in there as well. I can get more details about the customer to see the account informations, credit cards, other loan applications that initiated through this customer. I can see several offers, open cases, opportunities for this customer to reach out everything so that while customer come to me as an advisor, I know the background, who is this customer and how we can support him. As part of the process, also if I go to my relationship tab, I have ability to see what was the latest interaction that we have together within this customer when we discuss through the contact center, when customer has a branch visit, so that I can see these details and understand what will happen before to understand the context. If there is any other application that customer done before, system directly alert me about it while I'm creating opportunity. So while I'm going to these stages, of course, I need to verify my customer. So I need to do the verification in there. And within the verification stage, we have a couple of options in here. First of all, I need to select my topic because within the different topics, we have different verification types. So it could be based on questions, tipping, it could be about into there some SMS authentications in here. So if I go to inquiry and select loan inquiry in here, system prepared me two questions in there, which looks like a medium security. So if customer is willing to stop his card or have some more, let's say, secure transaction in there, system can ask more questions in here as well. If I want, I can ask these questions to get answers in here, or if customer doesn't have answer for certain questions, I can swap them as well. So let me ask Archie. Archie, what is your date of birth?
It's 28 April 1976.
And what is your postcode?
It's SW1 space 89D.
So within this verification process, we can do two things. We can mark this information as stars in here so that we are not sharing this information to our agents, and system is doing a background check in here. And if it is already some information that is publicly available and not from the GDPR perspective, we can directly show it to our agents as well. Once we did the verification, we can go to the stage of actually making the application for mortgage loan. So if I come back to my screen in there, if I go to my opportunity screen, I can see that all my customer information is pre-populated in here. And once I select my product as mortgage, I can see that additional questions popped up as dynamically in there. So it is asking the requested amount, which I get these answers from the customer beginning of the call. So I'm filling these details in here. And then, sorry, I'm adding the tenor for years, so it should be 10 years. And system is also showing me some eligible products, other details as well. If needed, we can also do some eligibility checks direct on our system as well through our loan application process. So once I initiate this request, system is doing some eligibility checks and proceeding Archie's mortgage loan application directly from here. So let me ask my customer, I started your application, Mr. Archie. Do you have any other questions for me?
Actually, yes, I was also considering to restructure my personal finance. I'm also having an active personal finance with you. Is it possible to extend it by 8 months?
Of course. Let me check through my system. So customer has a loan servicing request in there. So once customer has such a request in here, I can come back to my 360 view. So within this 360 view, we are not just opening complaint service request opportunities in there. Also, I can do certain banking transactions in here. So if I click on the transactions, I have ability to see lots of core system transactions in there, which is coming up to our CRM system by integration. So I can do some transactions through the core banking system for opening a new account, closing a card in here, starting a restructure a loan process in there, making some cash transactions in here. So everything is applicable in there. So if I move to my loan restructure page, I need to check that what will be the loan that Archie wants to restructure. So if I go to my page, I can see that there is only one personal finance loan that Archie mentioned to me. So I selected these details. It shows the principal amount, outstanding balance in there. I can see that he already paid 8 of his installments in here, and 28 is waiting for the payment, and he will have total 36 payments in there. So he wants me to add additional 8 installments in here. So he has 28 terms in there. Let me make it 36 so that his installment amount directly changed through the system. So first 8 months he pays this amount, then his amount is changed in there, and now he has more installments as he asked us. So let me also add my description. So it will be restructure best by client. Within the next stage, I need to confirm my transaction in there. Then as next stage, system shows me the loan structure and payment terms within certain documents. So I can share these documents directly with my customer through emails, and I can get a digital signature for that. And then if I want to go ahead, system wants to have a customer one-time password validation in here. So I can send an SMS to Archie, and once Archie gets this SMS, he will also get a link. He can click on this link and he can fill this SMS information. So system automatically make this validation on behalf of customer. But during the demo, of course, I don't have this chance, so I send this SMS to Archie Andrews. So Archie, could you please tell me that what will be the OTP number within your message?
Yes, I've just received it. It's 2476.
476. So let me continue from there. And my request sent directly to the core system, and it is done successfully. So Archie, do you have any other inquiries that I can support you?
Thank you very much. I've just received the invoice in my email inbox. Thank you very much. It was a quick spot. Really appreciate it. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Archie. Have a good day as well.
Bye-bye.
So if we come back to our journey, what we have seen so far in here, we have our mortgage advisor, digital selling advisor, Martin Barosh. And we see that he has ability to serve the customer through the contact center. So he can do video chat, he can do voice calls, he can do direct messaging conversation through our Solgari platform. And so since Solgari platform is connected to Dynamics 365 and VeriPark finance solution, we have ability to see full customer information in 360 view, and we have ability to take action like creating a new opportunity or making some transaction directly within there. So what we have seen so far in here, we can see that how we can improve customer experience in digital channels. So during the pandemics, customers are not willing to come to our branches anymore. So we can give them the same support and face-to-face discussion directly within their internet banking, mobile banking, within their homes, offices. So it is creating a really good approach for the customer to get this support in anytime 7/24. And also we have ability to manage all customer data and transactions in single solution. So within the integration of Solgari and VeriPark system, we saw that once customer initiate a video call, we have a full understanding within the 360 view, and we have ability to do all transactions in there. And also, of course, we need to have a digital selling during the pandemic. So what we can do in there, we can show some campaigns, some other details for our customers through our digital channels. And if they have any interest, we can support them directly through our contact center. Thank you for listening. This will be all our journey. Have a nice day.